Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Home Assistant to integrate Z-Wave Smart Home Gear. Complete guide step by step clear. Visit the official Home Assistant website at home-assistant.io. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. Scroll down to the installation section and choose the appropriate method for your setup. For a Raspberry Pi installation, select the Raspberry Pi option. Download the latest Home Assistant image file for Raspberry Pi. Use a tool like Balena Etcher to flash the downloaded image onto your microSD card. Insert the microSD card into your Raspberry Pi. Connect the Raspberry Pi to your network via Ethernet for a more stable connection. Power on the Raspberry Pi and wait for it to boot up completely. Open a web browser and type in the IP address of your Raspberry Pi. If you don't know the IP address, you can find it through your router's admin panel. Once loaded, you'll see the Home Assistant onboarding page. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account and set up your home. Now, let's integrate the Z-Wave Smart Home Gear. First, ensure that you have a Z-Wave USB stick compatible with Home Assistant. Connect the Z-Wave USB stick to your Raspberry Pi. Next, go to your Home Assistant dashboard. Click on Configuration in the sidebar. Select Integrations from the Configuration menu. Look for the Z-Wave integration and click on it. If it's not already installed, you'll see an option to add it. Follow the prompts to configure the Z-Wave integration. This will involve specifying the Z-Wave USB sticks port. Once that's done, click on Submit to start the integration process. Now, add your Z-Wave devices to Home Assistant. Set your Z-Wave device into inclusion mode according to its manual. In Home Assistant, click on Add Node in the Z-Wave configuration. You should see your Z-Wave device appear in the list. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.